truly remarkable. Luxury vehicles have exceptional resistance, are capable of navigating any terrain, and have armoring installed by specialized companies and manufacturers to protect their owners in any situation. These are the 10 safety luxury armored SUVs in the world. Number 10. Rani Tank X 2020. It is the company's latest model and has achieved the status of the most potent SUV produced to date. Rani Motors, an American manufacturer, drew inspiration for it from the brand new Jeep Wrangler JL. It measures 5 meters in length and is 2 tons in mass. It accommodates 4 individuals and is constructed to ensure their security and comfort. It is equipped with a 1000 HP engine and has a top speed of 260 kilometers per hour, or 160 miles per hour. It is standardized and can be modified to support various equipment. Number 9. Carlman King. It is the most expensive and luxurious SUV in the world, and it was manufactured in Italy using a Ford F550 chassis. It is 6 meters in length and possesses a weight of 6 tons. It can traverse challenging terrain, such as sand, with ease. It is equipped with a 367 HP engine and has a limited top speed of 87 miles per hour. It takes 7 individuals and is equipped with an extensive range of luxurious details. Its armor and equipment are customizable, and it cost approximately $2 million. Number 8. BMW X5 Protection. The German company has produced a new model in order to satisfy market demand for standard armored vehicles. It is 4.9 meters in length and weighs 3.2 tons. It is equipped with a 530 horsepower engine and has a top speed of 210 kilometers per hour, or 130 miles per hour, in 5.9 seconds. It can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour. It features 4 seats and an armored compartment constructed entirely of high-strength steel components. It is equipped with reinforced treads that permit it to continue traveling despite punctures and VR6 level armor. Number 7. Toyota Land Cruiser 200. The Japanese manufacturer Toyota has equipped the Russian specialist company Rita Cars with security for this brand new model. Its design facilitates traversal over challenging terrain, including sand and dirt. Without the armor, it measures 16.4 feet in length and weighs 3.3 tons. It can accommodate a maximum of 5 individuals. It has a 230 horsepower engine and is capable of exceeding 124 miles per hour in velocity. It features reinforced tires, an intercom system, and armor of the BR6 level. Number 6. Bentley Benta. Production commented in the United Kingdom on one of the world's quickest SUVs. It was shielded in Canada by the specialized company Incas Armoured and was designed to deliver exceptional performance. It has a length of 5.1 meters and a weight of 2.5 tons. Armor is not included. It is equipped with a 600 horsepower engine and has a top speed of 186 miles per hour. It has a standard acceleration of 4 seconds, from 0 to 62 miles per hour. The sophisticated aesthetic and BR6 level armor of this vehicle set it apart. Number 5. Lexus LX 570. Since 1995, Japanese manufacturers have been producing the largest SUV under the Lexus brand, Rita Cars. A specialized manufacturer has armored this model. Aside from the armor, it is 16.4 feet long and weighs 2.6 tons. It is equipped with a 360 horsepower engine and has a top speed of 220 kilometers per hour. In 7.3 seconds, it can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles. It can accommodate a maximum of 7 individuals. It is equipped with reinforced treads that enable it to continue driving despite damage, as well as BR6 armor. Number 4. Lincoln Navigator L. It is an automobile with a significant carrying capacity that was produced in the United States. The specialized company, Incas Armoured, armored it and decorated its spacious interior with opulent accents. It is 5.6 meters in length and 2.6 tons in mass. It is equipped with a 450 horsepower engine as standard equipment and has a top speed of 252 kilometers per hour. In 5.9 seconds, it can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour. It has 7 occupants and 10 modes of operation. It is adorned with BR6 level armor and reinforced treads. Number 3. Range Rover Autobiography. It is a British-made car that stands out for its exceptional performance and durability. With the armor removed, its length is 5.2 meters or 17 feet, and its total weight is 2.2 tons. The roomy interior is the result of a design that combines safety and comfort. It is equipped with a 518 horsepower engine and has a top speed of 225 kilometers per hour or 140 miles per hour. It has a standard acceleration of 5.4 seconds to reach 62 miles per hour. Its cabin is completely fortified with armor of the BR6 level. Number 2. Mercedes G-Class 63 AMG. Commenced in production in Germany in 1979, it is among the most favored models of the organization. It is specifically engineered to traverse rugged terrain effortlessly. This specialized company cars armored it, and there is room inside for 4 people. Without including the armor, it is 15.7 feet in length and 2.5 tons in weight. It is equipped with a 544 horsepower engine and has a top speed of 220 kilometers per hour. In 5.4 seconds, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour. A capsule with armor of BR6 quality completely protects its interior. Number 1. Century Civilian 2020. It is a vehicle that SWAT and other highly effective special operation units use in their civilian iterations. The specialized company Inca's Armor designed, constructed, and armored it using the framework of a Ford F-550. This car stands out for its exceptional performance and maneuverability on tough terrain. Its length is 19.6 feet, and its engine produces 330 horsepower. The interior is roomy and comfortable, accommodating a maximum of 6 passengers. It is equipped with reinforced treads and BR6 level armored as standard equipment. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Turn on notifications in order to get notified for upcoming videos.